Okay, so today we are taking a look at the Plaud NotePin. This is Plaud's latest entry into the AI recorder arena. Again, it does recording, transcribing, and summarization. You might be familiar with the Plaud Note, which is a great AI recorder. The software is powerful, features the same powerful software here with the NotePin, but the NotePin offers some extra things that a lot of people wish that the Note had. And I think if you're looking into this, this might be a great all-in-one solution, especially if you're a note taker who likes to take notes on the go or make recordings, transcriptions, or summarizations on the go. Things like maybe if you just want to create mental notes for yourself, just speak out, gather your notes or thoughts. Maybe if you were in a meeting and you don't want to hey, I have this card here, I'm going to put it down. This is actually something you can actually attach to your person in various different ways. I'm going to show you all of that. So what do you say we get straight into it? All right, so the Plaud Pin, first thing, look how small this is right here. I mean, right now we have these powerful recorders backed up by powerful AI to get the best out of them. Here you'll see that it has a backing of a magnet backing. What I can do with that is I can put this behind my shirt and just bring this right here, and I can start recording or taking notes, whatever it is. So if let's just say I'm in a convention or a conference, this can be just right here, and we're just recording long conversations or maybe short interviews, things like that. Or maybe I'm even listening to something. It can be my person and it's still recording whatever it's picking up on. Another way I can use this is that it has a necklace feature as well, where it comes with this little necklace. I can go ahead and just loop this right here. Okay, I got it right here, and I can just put it around. And the same thing, I'm still taking recordings, but maybe I want to make a fashion statement or whatever. Bottom line, it's not getting in the way, and I'm not having to worry about pulling it out of my pocket or setting it somewhere. It can just be right here. And I like the fact that maybe it's closer to my mouth. Let's just say if I was on stage doing a presentation, I wanted to get everything I was saying, it's closer to my mouth for better audio quality. Or maybe you can put this around someone else's, around their area, so you can get better audio quality from them. Bottom line, they're giving you options. Here is probably my favorite usage so far. Let me take this off. What they have is this little wrist option. I'll just clip it in the bottom. There we go. Just put on my wrist. And the wrist is all magnetic, so I can just go ahead, tighten it up, and lay it, and then it just holds it down like that. And it's right there. This has been my favorite way to use this so far because I don't wear a watch anyway whenever I'm going outside. So I just throw this on. Something important is about to start. I just hold it down till the red light comes on. And it's recording. I have nothing to worry about. And I'll leave this on for this portion of video so we can get a summarization of what we have going on here right now. But yeah, super easy to use, super flexible. I have different options, and they all work in some kind of way that just makes sense in a way I want to get notes. A lot of times when it comes to getting notes, I feel like it's not like the software is a problem. It's just like, where do I put this thing? Now it's something that you don't even have to worry about. You don't even have to connect it to your phone. It's always right there. Some other things that come inside of the box is, let me take this out, push it out, and it's still recording. It does come with a little charger. Now, what I do like about the Plaud Note is that they got smart when it comes to recharger because it's using a USB-C cord. So it just sticks right there as a magnet, and I'm not using some kind of proprietary charging cable. I can just plug in a normal USB cord right there, like the one it comes with, and just keep charging it from there. Oh, I almost forgot about this one. They do offer a shirt clip where I can take the backing off, take the shirt clip, it attaches right there, and I can just put this right there on my shirt or wherever I want to put it. Maybe on my jacket, or maybe a vest or whatever. Again, you have different ways to actually make this work for yourself. Okay, so let's get to actual software when it comes to this. All right, and if you see right now, it's actually recording what we got going on right here. So I'm going to hold this down. It'll stop the recording, and it'll automatically start the transferring, which was just about, a minute long. Okay, sounds good to me. So we'll go to it. It's already there. Did that really fast, right? Okay, so of course we have our recording.
So the red light comes on. and it's recording, and I have nothing to worry about. And I'll leave this on.
Now, one thing I want to show with you, yeah, you could use this as a recorder, but with its AI technology, you can clean up the recording. So I can go to, there's low, medium, high, and let's see what it sounds like with it off.
For this portion of video, so we can get a summarization of what we have going on here right now. But yeah, super easy to.
Not sure if you can hear, but there's a lot of background noise, a lot of hiss going on in that audio. I can go to, let's just try medium, and we'll play it from there.
Super easy to use, super flexible.
The AI enhancement did a great job of cleaning up the audio. So again, you're probably not using this as a recorder, but if you want to clean up the audio, you do have that option. Of course, you can skip forward, play, no, you can go 15 seconds back, play, forward, and then also you can create little snippet segments and cleaning out dead air if you want to. Of course, since already here, we can create an overview, so I can press analyze, and what it will do is it will take the entire audio, the transcript, summarization, and it'll give me a quick overview. Now, if the audio was longer, it would have given me a generated event, but I'll show you another overview to give you an example. Of course, we have the transcription, so let's go ahead. I'm going to do a summarize. Okay, do autopilot, and we'll start generating summary. Depending on the length of the audio file, give it a couple minutes for it to generate and also summarize it, but here we go. We're almost done. And just like that, using the power of AI, it gives us a really spot-on summary of what we were just talking previously. Me personally, a lot of these AI recorders, I use it for Bible studies, going to church, online lessons, summarizing YouTube videos that I may use. The only problem that I have is give me something that's flexible and ready for me to use at a moment's notice. And I find that the devices from Plaud, their AI power, well, their AI software is second to none. I mean, it's no wonder why they call themselves like the #1 AI voice recorder in the industry. And now that you have like these different options on how to wear it, put on your person, great. Give me fast, easy, accessible. I'm all about it. Okay, so of course we have our summarization. We go back, we have our transcript where it shows the speaker. It gives me outlines as well. Overview, as I talked before. Also, it gives me a mind map. Now, mind maps I love because me, as a person who puts lessons together, who has to go on stage and speak, I'm always looking to see how I can improve my craft. And with mind maps, it gives you a clear outline on how you can flow one thought to the next. Meaning this, let's just say you're recording someone who you really admire and the way they speak. With the power of AI, you can get a mind map of how they speak or their lesson, and you can kind of see how it's structured in the flow of thought from one thought to the next. Really great at leveling up your own abilities. So something like this, I would definitely recommend for that. Now, if I want to, I can re-summarize using a different type of template. Before I re-summarize, I'm going to show you that it does have different plans. You can do a starter plan, which gives you 300 minutes, a pro plan, and an unlimited plan. Obviously, in the pro unlimited, gives you open up all the features. It gives you access to many more templates. And with the pro plan, it's still good, but you're missing out on a couple of features. Let's go right back. Right now, I'm using the pro plan. I've got some extra minutes on there, so I do have everything. But going back to our recording, I can go and try to re-summarize it, try out all these different templates. We just tried the reasoning autopilot. Let's go ahead and let's try speech. We'll generate that now. And all right, and once that's done, we'll see it created some keywords, key learnings, explanations, things like that. Again, I can't speak enough about the quality of the AI summarization when actually using this. Yeah, you're gonna get second to none notes when it comes from this, I feel, from my experience. Now, if for some reason you don't like the audio quality from this, that's okay. You can use the recording from your phone and still use the Plaud AI software to get a recording from there, or you can even import audio. It's up to you, but still, if you're out and about, you're gonna need this because this is a lifesaver. Again, the audio recording part is a secondary feature. What we want is that smart AI summarization. Now, you may be wondering, can I record phone calls with this? Well, the answer is yes, but you're gonna have to do it this way. Again, press record on the side here. Okay. And then when you make a phone call, you want to have your speaker open so it's catching the conversation between you and a person. So this could be great for maybe if you're doing a Zoom call on your phone. Maybe if you're having a doctor appointment through telehealth, you can do it like that. Maybe you're talking to someone about, I don't know, very important insurance decisions or something like that, money-wise. You can use this to record the phone call, meeting, lesson, whatever, and then bring it back into the summarization or bring it back into the Plaud app, have AI summarize it, transcribe it, all the things that you need so you can review it later and get all the detailed information that you need. All right, guys, this is the Plaud Note. Overall, I think they really did a great thing here with the Plaud Note, giving us the different ways to use it, attach it, put on our person, an easier way to charge it, still keeping the great, same fantastic app. It's really going to be up to you depending how often you use this, if you need the basic, pro, or limited plan. Either way, you're getting fantastic ChatGPT and AI support from this. All right, guys, that is the Plaud NotePin. Hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that like button if you like what's going on here, hit that subscribe button if you love what's going on here, and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.